After talking to a lot of pulmonologists, anesthetists, and physicians, we know that the hospitals will see a spike in demand for non-rebreather masks, CPAP machines, and ambibag implementation. What we covered in the last video was the need for a cheaper respiratory support system and our automated bag mask compression solution for it. And this is what we have so far on the design, but more on this later.
With our latest addition of features, reSPIRE 2.0 can monitor peak and expiratory pressure, peak inspiratory pressure, volume, and flow rates, and do inhalation detection as well. We can switch the device between pressure and volume modes, such as assisted control ventilation and synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation.
An example of ACV is right here. When I try to inhale even lightly with the mask, it understands that I'm trying to breathe and actuates the respiration cycle. The device also has the ability to synchronize the mandatory respiration cycles of the machine with the natural breathing patterns of the patient. The final product will be a clean box, small enough to be hung on the patient's bedside. The bag valve mask can be placed inside the lid opening. It is designed to be easy to use for many medically trained staff and not just the ICU operators.
To enable social distancing, it is pivotal to have remote control of multiple devices.
Our app will enable the healthcare professionals to monitor and control pressure, volume, and flow rates remotely in response to changing patient behavior, such as blockage in the windpipe. Post-corona, it will assist doctors to care for inaccessible patients.
Internet of Things is important to us. Each bag mask compressor is equipped with a Wi-Fi module that transmits the data over the cloud securely and then is relayed to our app for live monitoring.
Here are some letters of intent from hospitals and doctors in Gujarat, India, validating our idea and the need for such low-cost, groundbreaking devices to help people reintegrate in a post-COVID-19 world.
A major concern is the cross-spreading of the infection among patients. This happens when a ventilator is used for multiple patients simultaneously or subsequently. With our solution in the $100 to $150 range, it can be used as a part disposable and a part recyclable device.
Via strategic collaborations and frugal supply chain, we aim to produce 6,000 devices a month with an FOB value under 93 euros a piece. A seed fund of 10,000 euros would help us to cover our initial fixed costs and get us ready for large-scale production.
In the past couple of weeks, we have come together as a team remotely in 5 different time zones, combining our skills to make a working prototype of a low-cost portable ventilator. We can achieve a ready-to-use product within 4 weeks. Our solution can assist exhausted medical teams, provide exceptional control and monitoring during high patient volumes, and keep the medical staff and patients safe from infectious diseases by enabling social distancing using our IoT technology. Thank you.